Remedies and hacks: how to get rid of toenail fungus naturally with 7 easy methods. What kills nail fungus fast? Toenail fungus is a problem many people have. Some signs of it are inflammation, swelling, yellowing, and thickening or crumbling of the nail. Certain things help the fungus grow, like high acid levels in the skin, a weak immune system, feet that are always wet in wet areas like sweaty shoes or socks, bad washing habits, and diabetes. If not treated, toenail fungus can cause cracking, splitting, or even total loss of the toenail. 7 home cures that can get rid of the infection in 1 or 2 months. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Vinegar is an antifungal that can be mixed with water to create a foot soak. Try 2 parts vinegar to 1 part warm water and soak feet for 20 minutes daily. For a more potent foot soak, the ratio could be 1 part vinegar to 1 part water. Number 2. Black tea. Soaking feet in plain tea can also be beneficial in treating toenail or foot fungus. Black tea contains tannic acid that dries out the feet, kills bacteria, and helps to close the foot's pores to reduce sweating. Boil 2 quarts of water, then add 5 to 6 tea bags. Allow the tea to cool and soak feet for 30 minutes. Use this foot soak daily if desired. Number 3. Baking soda. Add a half cup of baking soda, a quarter cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide, and a half cup of Epsom salt to 4 cups of hot water. Mix the ingredients very well, and then add a quarter cup of white vinegar to it. Soak the toenail in this mixture for about 10 minutes. Wash your foot with clean water and dry it very well. Do this twice a day for a few weeks. Number 4. White vinegar. White vinegar is a great way to cure toenail fungus because it fights the infection and helps fix the skin's acid level. Mix 1 part of white vinegar with 2 parts of warm water. Soak the toenail in the mixture for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse your foot off and dry it well. Do this 2 times a day until the fungus is gone. Note: if this hurts your skin, add more water to the mixture and soak your foot in it every other day instead of every day. Number 5. Oil of oregano. Oil of oregano kills germs, bacteria, parasites, viruses, and fungi, and eases pain. Mix 2 drops of oil of oregano in 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Put this mixture on your affected toe. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes. Wash it off and dry your toe very well. Do this 1 to 2 times a day for 3 weeks for it to work. Number 6. Listerine Mouthwash. It's used in the mouth to kill the bacteria and germs, so it can also be used to clear up toenail fungus. Fill a small tub with Listerine mouthwash or with a mixture of even amounts of Listerine and white vinegar. Soak the toe in the mixture for about 30 minutes. Then scrub the toenail lightly. Wash it off and dry your toe very well. Yes, religiously. Do this 1 or 2 times a day until it heals. Number 7. Garlic. Garlic has allicin and ajoin, which can kill fungi and treat toenail fungus. Mix garlic oil with an even amount of white vinegar. Put the mixture on and around your toenail and cover it with a bandage. Leave it on for a few hours and then take the bandage off. Do this every day until it heals. Note: if you don't have garlic oil, you can make your own. Fry 2 crushed garlic cloves in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then strain the oil. Try the cures for at least 1 or 2 months for them to work. Don't miss my other video about the superpowers of garlic. I hope this video will be useful to you. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching!